Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard Alternatives and why choose ClickGuard. ClickGuard Vs TrafficGuard. ClickGuard starts at $19/month, while TrafficGuard starts at $50/month. Both has a free version for interested business owners who want to get their ads protected. TrafficGuard can be integrated with Google Ads, AppsFyer, Affise and Adjust, which ClickGuard cannot be. TrafficGuard allows you to track click behavior, peek on budget control, and access to activity dashboard for a close engagement on your ads. ClickGuard Vs ClixTell. ClixTell starts at $20/month, while ClickGuard starts at $59/month. ClickGuard was created for Google Ads/AdWords users that desire transparency, responsibility, and control over their ad traffic, not just for those who are experiencing money-losing click fraud. ClixTell is a world leader in providing cutting-edge solutions for call tracking and analytics, detecting and preventing Google Ads and Bing Ads click fraud activity and website video recording. ClickGuard Vs ClixCease. ClickCease starts at $50/month, while ClickGuard starts at $59/month. ClickCease eliminating fake clicks on their PPC campaigns. Anyone that is advertising on Google Ads is vulnerable to click fraud, unfortunately. ClickCease Google Ads click fraud protection software will exclude invalid IP and block fake clicks. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyses every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.